Hello, SOLPE scholars, it's Magister Beck. Magister Cole and myself decided this week for week 18, the last week of quarter two. We are just going to give everyone in PE class a 15 out of 15. So we encourage you still to do your activities and work out because we don't want you to just sit on the couch and not get any activity because you should get some kind of physical activity in every day. But if you're happy with your grade, you have 100% or you have an A, you don't have to necessarily turn in the log this week, week 18. But if you're not happy with your grade and you do fill out the activity log and turn it in to us at the end of the week, week 18, you're already going to get a 15 out of 15, but we'll use that activity log to fill in a week that maybe you have a 0. So maybe week 14, little Johnny has a 0 because he never turned in his activity log. Well, we will put those 15 points in week 14 for you so you don't have a 0 anymore. You have 15 points. So that's what we're going to do for this week for week 18. SOL Phi-Ed, you are not required to turn in an activity log if you are happy with your grade. Everyone's going to get a 15 out of 15 for week 18. But if you do turn in your activity log, we will use those 15 points on a prior week where you don't have a good score, like a 5 or 0. We'll make that a 15 for you. So I hope you guys have enjoyed your last week of quarter two. And we will be talking and seeing you guys hopefully sometime soon. Have a great rest of your weekend, guys. Bye.